So WoundWISE is an event for clinicians to really upskill their wound knowledge and to really have a practical outlet for learning about wound care technologies and wound care best practices.
You coming on this particular event tells me how invested you are and committed in pursuing more about wound care management.
Kind of refer to as wound care speed dating. So you're moving from station to station. It's meant to be short, pragmatic, and practical. All the clinicians at that station are getting a chance to use technologies hands-on and learning about the best practices that go along and coincide with those technologies.